Sometimes it's not about how the day looks like outside, rather the company that we keep. Today, I spend my day with my two besties, Sarah and Sumo. It's gotta be a Sunday fun day, right? Walking at Cultus Lake. Oh, look at all the beach people. Not. What a happy day. Oh well. There's a little bit of rain. Oh, look, what's that? Good boy, Sue. Ooh, there's some good water. Look at that. I'm hoping this is good water for him. I think it's a fart signal. Kind of wonder what the poor people are doing today. Oh my. It is so nice out here. This is Cultus Lake. Wow, what a unique life history. Sockeye salmon. All of a sudden I'm really, really hungry for fish. Not raw, of course, because that would suck.